Hello, everyone. Today I'm excited to share how you can harness the power of AI to run a successful faceless YouTube channel using ChatGPT. In this guide, we'll cover practical strategies to plan engaging content, building a thriving community, and more, all without ever showing your face. And if you're looking for additional tips or resources, be sure to check out the pinned comment below. All right, let's dive in. First things first, planning your content is crucial. A well structured content strategy ensures that you consistently deliver value to your audience. Let me show you how I use ChatGPT to brainstorm fresh content ideas tailored to my niche. Suppose my channel focuses on sustainable living. Now, I'll start by asking ChatGPT for some trending video ideas. So, here's the prompt that I crafted together right here. Now, once I send my prompt, ChatGPT will process it and generate a list of potential topics right about now. Now, let's see what it comes up with. So, there's some right here. So each video topic ideas had like a description that can help you out with your video content planning. One right here, the truth about fashion. Fast fashion. There's one right here, sustainable travel tips. Then there's one right here about eco-friendly home hacks. And number 3. And wow. So these are quite fantastic ideas, I must say. So as you can see, ChatGPT has provided a variety of relevant and trending topics. So by leveraging ChatGPT, I can create a content calendar that aligns with audience interests and current trends. This keeps my channel relevant and helps in retaining viewers. Thanks, ChatGPT. An engaging script is the backbone of any compelling video. It keeps your audience hooked from start to finish. Let me show you how I use ChatGPT, again, to craft detailed scripts and develop narratives that resonate with viewers. Suppose I'm creating a video about the benefits of remote work, that is. So I'll start by asking ChatGPT right here to write an attention-grabbing introduction. So I'll paste down here my prompt, and yep, here it is. Now I'll send this prompt and see what ChatGPT generates. All right, let's take a look at the response right here. So let me read out those for some. Let's say, welcome to today's video where we dive into the future of work, remote work. Okay, there's a few hook right there. A few teaser context in introducing the video topic right there. And yeah, that's quite a compelling introduction, I must say. So this immediately draws the viewer in and sets the tone for the rest of the video. I can now use this as a foundation and quite tweak it to match my personal style or add specific details, that is. For instance, next, I would want to ensure my visual elements align with my script. Now, ChatGPT can also help me create an outline for my video. So, down here, I'll ask, like right here, so I'd say provide a brief outline for the key points to cover in a video about the benefits of remote work. Right here. So let's send this off and see what comes back. All right, here is how ChatGPT would come together the outline right here. Okay, and excellent. So this outline gives me a clear structure for my video. Now I can start developing to match each section right here for my script. So let's say, for example, for the point about, let's say, cost savings, then right here I might include setup or visuals that are related to cost and savings, like community, like office attire, meals, and more. And yeah, so by aligning my script with visual elements and such, I can ensure the final video is cohesive and engaging. So using ChatGPT for script writing and, let's say, storyboarding not only saves time, but also enhances the quality of my content. Pretty cool, huh? Now let's talk about bringing your script to life through voiceover. Having a well-written script is just the beginning. The way you deliver it can make a huge difference in how your audience perceives your content. Sometimes written text can sound a bit too formal when spoken aloud. Let me show you how I use ChatGPT once again to make my voiceover scripts more conversational and engaging. Just an example, that is. So let's say I have a paragraph that's a bit too complex or stiff. Now I'll ask ChatGPT down here to simplify it. So I'll paste it down here, and here's what I crafted through the prompt. Here we go. So let's say the utilization of renewable energy source, my apologies for that, is imperative for the sustainability of our planet. So let's say this one I want to be a bit more simplified. Now, I'll send this prompt and see how ChatGPT can help us out. There we go. All right, as it currently processes. Doesn't look like a paragraph, my apologies, by the way. Just for instance, that is. Like a sentence. And here's what ChatGPT had come up with. So let's take a look at the simple result right here. So I would read like, using renewable energy is key to keeping our planet sustainable. That's much better, I must say. It's simpler and sounds more natural when spoken aloud. My apologies for that. Spoken aloud, perfect for a voiceover. Now remember, the goal is to make your audience feel like you're speaking directly to them in a natural and engaging way. See what I just did there? And now if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, guys. Editing is where your content truly comes together. It's the stage where you transform raw footage and audio into a polished, engaging video that resonates with your audience. Sometimes choosing the right transitions and effects can be a bit daunting. This is where ChatGPT comes in handy once again. Let me show you how I use it to get creative suggestions for my videos. Now, I'll ask for some ideas on engaging transitions for my tutorial video on digital art. So, I just come up together with a prompt for this. So here's what I've got here. Simple, like suggest some engaging transitions for a tutorial video on digital art. Now, I'll send this prompt and see what ChatGPT comes up with. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at the suggestions right here. Uh-huh. You know, I really like the brushstroke transition, and there's the color splash transition. There's also the canvas flip, another one right here, ink drop transition, and yeah, they fit perfectly with the digital art theme. Yeah, so these are quite fantastic ideas, I must say. Though, we need to add more than this. To keep my editing process efficient and ensure I don't miss any important steps, I like to use a checklist. For instance, ChatGPT can help me create one tailored to my project. Now, I'll ask right here in the input box, like right here, create a comprehensive editing checklist for a YouTube tutorial video. Now let's send that off and see what ChatGPT provides. All right, here are the following checklist. So here's one, for example, video editing, of course, and there's subtopics here that could help you out. Smooth transitions, that has already helped. See, and there's the rest that ChatGPT would provide help for you. B-roll, there's also audio editing. And yeah, this is incredibly helpful, I must say. So, with this checklist, I can streamline my workflow and ensure no detail is overlooked. So, by using ChatGPT to assist with editing suggestions and organizational tools, I'm able to produce high quality videos more efficiently. See, there's the final touches, outro, there's the exporting part with the video, file naming, you know it, proof watch. Must be the last part, and yep, there we go. Optimizing your videos for search is essential for growing your channel. It ensures that your content reaches the widest possible audience. Now let me show you how I can use ChatGPT to craft compelling titles, descriptions, and tags that boost my video's discoverability. Suppose I've just created a video about beginner's yoga for stress relief. Now, I'll ask ChatGPT down here in the input box to generate a catchy title and description that include relevant keywords. So, here is the prompt that I put together right here. There we go, just as I stated earlier, as exact. Now I'll send this prompt and see what ChatGPT comes up with. And here we go, as it currently processes. There's the title, description, right here, the keywords, or you can say tags. And yeah, as you can see, these are quite fantastic, I must say. These kind of work. So the title here, kind of simple yet catchy. It includes phrases like beginner's yoga, there's stress relief right here. There we go, that people are likely to search for. Now I can also use these keywords in my video, tags, and description to improve its visibility. Don't underestimate the power of keyword research. ChatGPT helps identify the terms your potential viewers are searching for, which can significantly enhance your video's performance in search results. By optimizing your SEO and metadata, you're making it easier for your target audience to find and enjoy your content. See? Building a community turns viewers into loyal fans. It's not just about the content you create, but also about how you engage with your audience. Now, let me show you how I use ChatGPT to craft engaging calls to action and responses to comments that encourage interaction. Suppose I've just finished creating a video about healthy meal prepping, that is. Now, I want to end my video with a question that prompts viewers to engage. So here's what I come up with through a prompt. Here we go. Just as I stated earlier, now I'll send this prompt and see what ChatGPT suggests. All right, here it is. Let's take a look at the response. It says here, what's your go-to healthy meal prep dish that keeps you energized throughout the week? Let me know in the comments. This is usual. Whenever YouTuber just said this with a engagement question by the end of the video right here. So yeah, that is a fantastic question, I must say. So with this, it invites viewers to share their experiences and encourages a dialogue. By adding this question at the end of my video, that is, I prompt viewers to engage, which can lead to more comments and interaction. Using ChatGPT for audience engagement strategies makes the process easier and more effective, helping you grow a thriving community around your channel. And there you have it. That's about it. With the help of ChatGPT, right here, running a successful Faceless YouTube channel is not only possible, but also incredibly efficient.